This is just a quick announcement that the FreeCAD team have released version 1.02 of FreeCAD. Like when 1.01 came out, I've gone through the change log, followed the individual bug fixes and improvements, and pulled the notes together into something more readable for the non-technical users. This summary is available in a public post on my Patreon page, and I'll leave a link on the screen now and in the description of this video. Before you download the update and expect tons of new features, it's worth understanding what these version numbers actually mean. In 1.02, the first number is the major release. If this number changes, it represents big milestone features and changes. The second number, the 0, is the minor release. If this changes, smaller feature updates that build on the major version will be included. And the last number, in this case 2, is the patch. So things such as bug fixes, stability improvements, and small tweaks are usually included. So with 1.02, you're getting the same major 1.0 features, but with 2 rounds of refinements and fixes. Some of the highlights include improved compatibility with third-party frameworks and tools like Open Cascade 7.9 and Qt6, fixes for crashes in the assembly workbench and when importing DXF files, support for importing E57 point cloud files, various bin fixes, and some CAM improvements. This update is available now and can be downloaded from the official FreeCAD website.